Hello, this is Rodolfo Eric Angat, your teacher in Earth and Environmental Science. Today I'll be showing you how you can check your grades so that you can complete any work that you missed and retake any work that you think that you need a higher grade at. Remember, with the MC assessments, you are given two chances to get a good score, and you are given a lot of opportunities to get that very good score. So let's begin by clicking on our grades. You can click this one or you can click this one from the left menu. But for us, we'll be clicking this one, grades. Once you click the grade, you will see your grades right here. And if you scroll down, you will see your total grade. I just hope that this is not your total grade. Remember that the passing grade is 60%, but still I don't want you to just get a 60. I need you to get an A. Now, these are all the work that you'll be doing up to week 5. So they're already here and they are dated and titled. You will notice here that each of the work that you see in your gradebook possesses a specific title. Like this one, it is Earth and Environmental Science MC20. The second one is EES Vocabulary Sheet of the Week. And next to the title of the work is the date when it was given and when it was due. So this one was due on January 25, and you will see here that a score of 5 was acquired. This is a very low score. So you can take this assessment again so that you can increase your score. The second one is Vocabulary Sheet of the Week project. And the missing here, this signifies that you haven't done this yet. And you can find this work on January 25. Now, remember the title, EES Vocabulary Sheet of the Week, given on January 25. To go there, to complete that work, click Home and look for January 25. This is already February. So keep on scrolling down until you go to the previous weeks. So here you are, January 25 is within week 2. So click on this link and it will bring you to week 2. And here you can find January 25. Here is January 25. And the word that you're missing is right here. EES Intro Vocabulary Sheet of the Week, January 25 again. So I will click this one and I will complete my vocabulary sheet of the week. You have all the instructions that you need here. And once you are ready to submit, just click the submit assignment here. There is a separate instruction on how you submit your work. Now let's go back to the grades. Okay, that's the one, January 25. Now, late means you did not submit your work on time. But since we are in remote learning and we have to consider a lot of factors, late does not affect your grade. I do not give any deduction for late work, but hopefully you will not get used to on passing late. If you if you do your work, do it on time. It is a good virtue to always do your work on time. Okay. The only reason why we're not giving any deduction as of now is the consideration that you are having difficulty with remote learning due to the inconsistencies in with regards to the internet and also problems with devices and of course many other factors. Okay. Now you'll see here that there is no red mark here. So the work was done and the score here is very good. It's 8/9. That's already good. So you don't need to retake it unless of course you want to get 100%. The next one is scientific investigation, semantic map. It's missing, meaning you did not do it. And it was given on January 28th. So just like what we did earlier, just look for January 28th and you'll be able to see this missing work and you can complete it from there. Now this one, you submitted your work. It means that a text entry was done and it was submitted, but I did not yet check it. So give me up to the end of the week and it will be graded. I usually grade either Thursday or Friday. And this one, it's on February 1st. So this will be given, and the motion and video and word cloud, you already submitted your work ahead of time. That is a very good thing. Now, let's review again how you can look for the missing work that you have. So let's see, hierarchy in the universe MC20. When was it given? It was given on January 29. The title is Hierarchy in the Universe MC20. So just click home, January 29. So this is already February 1. Go here. January 29 is also in week 2. So click this one. Look for January 29. And January 29 is here. And there it is. Hierarchy in the Universe MC20. Click the link and take the assessment. Okay? So when you see the resume quiz, that means you've already started the quiz, but you stopped taking it. So you can just click resume quiz or take the quiz if you haven't done it yet. Once you are done, once you are done answering all of these questions right here, then simply click submit and voila. Let me just put some answers here. These are nothing but guess, but this is just an example. I hope in your case you will be thinking about your answers well. Again, this is just an example, but I don't want you to follow the guessing part, okay? You need to read all of them and you need to learn from them so that when you take the benchmark and NC finals, you will be getting good grades and that would help you increase your GPA in the future. So I've answered all of them. Again, I reiterate, do not guess. You need to read all the instructions here, watch the video, and look at the pictures when you answer. Take your time. So I'll just now submit the quiz and it was submitted. So if I'll go back to the grades, right there, I will see the hierarchy in the universe. I got 9 out of 20 because I only guessed. I hope you don't get a grade like this. And it is late. But even though that it was marked late, no deduction was given to you. So I hope you do your work well, and I hope you complete them all so that you can be well prepared. Thank you so much.